Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you guys for the love and support so far. Thank you for the comments, for the advice and everything. I really appreciate it a lot. Thank you very much. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to trim your eyebrows or shape your eyebrows, whatever way you want to call it. But it's been like 3 months that I've trimmed or shaped my eyebrow, so it's full and it's going to be an interesting meal. Namaste. So I got a lot of comments about my previous video on how to revamp your braided hair, and I want to say thank you guys for all the comments. Thank you for the DM, thank you for the private message and calls from friends and family that knows me. Thank you guys, I really appreciate it, and I'll do more. I promise to do more and not to repeat what is already out there, because these are things that actually I do on my own, things I sit down and I try to think about and I just do it, you understand? And I find out that some of them have good results, which are the ones I'm going to be sharing with you guys. No lies. No lies. Alright, so if you haven't seen that previous video, you need to see it, because it's as if you're lost with what I'm saying right now. It's the video where I said how to revamp your braided hair. It's very good. I actually carried my braided hair for 2 months, 2 good months, and at the point when I'm about to let it go, people were still telling me, please leave it, but I was tired of it. Like, I enjoyed everything I could do with it. I also styled it, but I did not do video on how to style it. But however, I can actually select the pictures that I took during this period and post it on my Instagram. So if you don't know, my Instagram ad is going to be displayed on the screen right now. You can follow me, so when I post the pictures of how I styled my shuku, you can also see it there. That will be later. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to shape or trim your eyebrows. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. But first, the things you need to trim your eyebrows. You need a pair of scissors. This is my baby scissors. Next on my list is mascara. What's it called? Mascara wand. However, I'm going to be giving you guys a secret in this video, and that secret is how I've been able to carry my full eyebrow for 3 good months. I'm sure some of you will be like, it's going to be bushy, messy. I'm sure somebody will be like, it's going to be rough, it's going to be messy, it's not going to be nice, it's not going to give you good looks and everything. It's a lie. That's going to be an additional secret I'm giving you in this video. Okay? No video. I'm not making an extra video for that. Yeah. So I used this and a bit of Vaseline. Yeah. Vaseline, you know Vaseline, baby Vaseline. So I used this with a bit of baby Vaseline, and I just comb it and move it to the shape I want. That's the secret. The next thing on my list is an eyebrow pencil. Is the eyebrow pencil. They are quite small. One is lighter than one is darker. Simple. Why do you need an eyebrow pencil when shaping your eyebrow? Just stay tuned to find out. You need a baby wipe or a makeup remover when you're done. Okay? Razor blade. The next thing on my list, can you guess? You need your mirror. Obviously, you need your mirror. Mirror on the wall. What's the fairest of them all? It's you, darling. It is me. Alright guys, so let's get into business. So the first thing you need to do is you take a mascara wand and brush it out. After combing it out with your mascara one, you take your pencil, that is the eyebrow pencil, and draw what you actually want. So this is what I want. This is the shape I want, okay? So this is the shape I want. After getting rid of the air out the inner corner and the outer corner of what you've drawn, that is your arc, you comb the air down. Then you go with your scissors. Be careful, just want to get rid of the air. Just you go in with your scissors, be careful, just want to take off any air you see on the line and below the line. You can do it bit by bit, just bit by bit. You don't have to go at the same time, except if you're a pro. Another way you can do this, if you want to use the baby scissors, you can do it with your blade. You take the mascara twine, you bring it down, then you hold and cut. But I don't know how you want to do that, but let's try it. I can't cut myself. But if you can do that, no problem. But this is how I do my own. So this is like almost the finished look. Can you see? You comb it out again so you can get the ones at the edge. There you go. You get another baby wipe and clean. Wow. It is that easy. The same process for the other one. Get your wipes again. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Till I come your way next. Bye.